If you've got a game store and you're looking for a professional, affordable website, then you certainly are in the right place today. I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to do exactly that. The Mighty Sites platform is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details needed. So click on the link below this video and give it a go. Once you've registered an account on the multi-sites platform, very first thing it's going to ask you to do is to search for your markets. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles. We are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top very quickly and I'm going to go ahead and search for my market, game store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Awesome. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our game store so it can generate a simple website for us. I'm going to go ahead and pop in my city and my state or region. And it doesn't matter where in the world your game store is located, you can enjoy the multi-site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to retail. Click on continue and let multi-site work its magic and create a simple website for my game store. And there you have it. It's literally done it in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we pre-written all the content for you. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality, as you can see. They're completely free for you to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the various games and gaming products you stock in your store. You want to showcase them on your website for your customers to see. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make some minor amendments to your website. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire someone to help you with this either. You can do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's go ahead and head to the first section. Go ahead and put in my company email address. Let's make sure that email address is displayed on our website. So we're going to go ahead and tick the box. I'm now going to go ahead and pop in my phone number, and that is click to call, by the way. I'm now going to go ahead and put in my street address, my physical location. Great thing about that physical location, when your website's live, your customers can click on that address, automatically be taken to Google Maps. Under update social links is where you can put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Let's go ahead and update our logo. If you don't have a logo yet, I recommend you check out canva.com. Lots of great free options. Logo has been uploaded. If you want to make some minor amendments to it, go ahead and click on the pencil. Under the pencil, you can add filters, frames, rotate, zoom in, and make little minor edits. Once it's been uploaded, you can make it bigger and smaller on the right. With Mighty Sites as well, we pre-selected all the colors for you. If you want to change them to go with your branding, your signage throughout your game store, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on the little paint bucket in the bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palettes available for you to use. For each section you want to make amendments to, click on update section directly underneath. Head on over to update image, browse your device and upload your own. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Hundreds of images to choose from. You can play around with the keywords a little bit and just see what images pop up that are suitable. For the content for each section, you can make changes to it. You can amend it. This was just pre-written as a guideline for you. Buttons can link to various places. Go ahead and click on choose link. You can link to another website, an action, click to call directions, or click to email. Otherwise, upload a PDF file with a catalog of your current promotions or offers that you currently are running. Awesome. Look how fantastic that looks. It's come together so nicely. In this last section over here, you can click on it and update your business hours, trading hours, put them in, and they will be displayed here for your customers' convenience. If you have a custom domain for your business, go ahead and click on connect your domain. So I already have a domain. If you don't have a domain yet and you really want one to make your website look even more professional, go ahead and click on I want a new domain because you can now purchase your domain via the Mighty Sites platform. Really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your business and really wishing you and your business mighty success.